Hi guys, welcome back, and today I didn't do a hamster video, but I attempted making slime, that gooey sticky thing. It's actually pretty easy. When I tried making slime for the first time, I messed up and overactivated it. As you can see, it's a little bit snappy. Okay, a lot snappy. This time I wanted to make it perfect, so I called up my friend too. And it was really fluffy as I added shaving foam. It really wasn't that hard. I would recommend you playing with slime. It is really stress relieving. If you want more slime content, please let me know. If you think it's better than my hamster videos, I'll make a lot more of them. Cut. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below.